and then they're going to call the hawk people tomorrow to see how he is. And they said I did the right thing because he is a protected bird. So hopefully he's alright. He had no fractures, his wings were fine, his legs were fine. They said his heart sounded okay. So some antibiotics hopefully will help him. And maybe they're just releasing back into the wild. Could be my good deed for the day done. So we've got a few pictures in the vets, which I will show you next. And I will call the vets tomorrow and try and get an update and see what's going on.